Hi you guys, where are my salad lovers at? So this is the Good Grips salad spinner, and I kind of wanted to show you guys how it works. So I rinsed my salad off, my lettuce off, and then I just stuck it in here. And so I'm gonna stick the lid on. Super easy to use. This does not take any kind of instructional time. But to pop the pump up, you just pull this back, boom. Okay, and then you're just gonna spin away. And you can see it's gonna start going really fast. And you know, the more lettuce you have in here, the longer you're gonna, push it down too far, the longer you're gonna wanna spin it. And you can see the water being extracted. All right, so to stop it, you're just gonna push the brake. This little button here is the brake, and it stops on a dime. And then to lock it back up again, you can just push that down all the way, and it just kind of locks into place on its own. So, okay, so now let's look at my lettuce. So now you can see it's like nice and fluffy. It's not waterlogged. It looks great, ready to go, really. And then if you pull the strainer out, you can see the water that has been extracted just for that little bit of lettuce. And then the nice thing is this bowl doubles as a nice salad bowl, obviously once you clean the water out. And then that's also the inside bowl, the inside strainer just doubles as a strainer. So kind of a multi-purpose salad spinner here. So I hope this helps.